Hi, this is Johnny with Georgia SoftWorks, and in this video I want to show you where you can find the host fingerprint.txt file. So the host fingerprints.txt in the Georgia SoftWorks SSH Shield installation folder contains key fingerprints for all host keys offered for the server to client authentication. These key fingerprints may be entered for host fingerprint configuration of the Georgia SoftWorks Business Tunnel as well. So if you don't know where the installation path is, it may be easier to just open up the registry by typing in regedit. Expand H key local machine, software, while 6432 node, Georgia SoftWorks SSH Shield parameters, and if you look, SC host fingerprint file shows us that the locations. So I can actually copy that. And as you can see, this is what the file looks like. So if you didn't see what I just did, I essentially copied the entry from the registry and pasted it into the navigation bar of Windows Explorer, and then just press the enter key. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.